Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Jewett, and today we're going to read another story from this cat bandit called The Snack Mix. Today you will be reading the story The Snack Mix. Let's find the page the story starts on at the table of contents. Now, this is in your Google Classroom, but it will probably be posted on your daily tasks as well, so it's easy for you to find the story for a reread. Here we go. I got it in my Google Classroom. And I'm going to scroll down to find what page it's on. It says the snack mix. Let me slide over page 10. Now, a snack mix. Who can describe their favorite snack mix? Well, I buy this one at Wegmans called the Mountain Trail Mix, and it's a mix of almonds and cashews and peanuts and raisins, and it has a little bit of M&Ms mixed into it, and I love it. It's delicious. But think about what your favorite snack mix is, and some of them can have like um, goldfish in them, goldfish crackers, and different things in them. What has the cat bandit done in the past two stories? I want you to think back. And maybe even the titles will help us with that. So I'm going to peek back at my table of contents. It was called The Hot Dog and the Chicken Nugget. Now, I know that cat bandit loves to snack and he loves to steal food. So I remember he stole food in the last two stories, and he stole a hot dog and he stole chicken nuggets. Now, he used a lot of clever ways to get the food. So I want you to think back about those ways and answer in your head. What clever ways did the cat bandit find food or get the food? Okay, I hope you have those stored in your head. Yesterday, we paid attention to special punctuation marks. These same marks will be in today's story. We're going to see question marks, exclamation points, the excitement marks, and then periods, which are just statements. Let's preview the vocabulary too. You might see the word tongs while we're reading today. The word tongs are things I use when I'm cooking. I might use them to turn food over, to pick things up that are hot. So they kind of pinch together and grab things from the stove or grill. Swish. Oh, that's an onomatopoeia. That's a sound word. I can hear the swish of the basketball go in or the swish of the water as it goes down the drain. Today, the cat bandit will try to steal snack mix on a shelf. How might the cat bandit get the snack mix down? Think in your head, make a prediction. I'm wondering if we're going to have him use tongs. I don't know if a cat could use tongs, but he's been so clever. Or he's going to somehow do something because there's vocabulary. Swish. And it's on a shelf. So I wonder how he's going to get it. Well, we're going to have to read to find out. But see if you made a prediction. I'll give you one more minute to do it. I hope you came up with a prediction. Let's read today's story to see if your predictions in your head are correct. Sometimes we might read in small groups, but we can't anymore because of COVID. And these are all ways that we could read COVID, but now we're going to read it once together. And then afterwards, I'm going to have you reread it to yourself, and then you can answer the question. So let me go to the story, and let's read it once together. Again, I'm going to the snack mix, page 10. Let's scroll all the way to page 10. Oh, there it is. The snack mix. Beth left a basket of snack mix on a shelf. The cat bandit spotted the snack mix. He felt he had to get it. But how? He sat thinking. Then he got up and ran off to the deck. Let's see how he's going to get that snack mix way up there. cat bandit got the grilling tongs Dad kept next to the gas grill. He set the tongs up on the rug. Then he went and got a bunch of rocks. This cat is very creative. He set the rocks on the rug. He got a rock and set it down on the top tong. He set his leg on the top tong to press it down. Then he let the tong spring up. Swish! The rock went zipping off. Bing! The rock hit the shelf, but it did not hit the basket with the snack mix. The bandit set a rock on the tong and shot it. Swish! Bing! Swish! Bing! Swish! Bing! The bandit shot 6 rocks, but the rocks did not hit the basket of snack mix. At last, swish, smack! Yay! The 7th rock hit the basket. The basket fell down. It landed on the rug. The rug was dotted with snack mix. Then, chomp, chomp, chomp. That was the end of the snack mix. So there's our story for today. I'm going to go back to our questions and see if we can answer them. Now, when we answer our discussion questions, I want you to remember that we've been practicing answering in reflective sentences. Number 1 says, where did Beth leave a basket of trail mix? So a reflective sentence would be, Beth left the trail mix. See if you can answer it. And good readers, we sometimes go back to look for information. We didn't know it. Here it is. Beth left a basket of snack mix on a shelf. Ding! There's our evidence. What 2 things did the cat bandit get to help him get the snack mix? So again, a reflective sentence. 2 things the cat bandit got to help him get the trail mix were. I already know the answer. I know he used the tong, and he also used some rocks. And he used them almost like a catapult to ping, ping, and swish and get those down. And then smack, he finally did. He was successful. What did the cat bandit use to launch the rocks towards the basket? Again, a reflective sentence. The cat bandit used the tong to launch the rocks towards the basket. That was a kind of a cool vocabulary word today, tong. Number 4, how many rocks did the cat bandit shoot? I'm going to let you think for a minute. Okay, I'm going to go back to my story. Oh, I see it on this page. At last, swish, smack. Read the sentence. Yep, the 7th rock hit the basket. So it took 7 rocks to get it. Did the cat bandit get the snack mix? Well, we know the end of the story ended with chomp, chomp, chomp. That was the end of the snack mix. So the cat bandit, did he get it? Yes, the cat bandit did get the snack mix. Where did the snack mix land? Think about where it landed. I'm going to go back again. Let's read right here. Basket fell down. Read the sentence. It landed on the rug. The rug was dotted with snack mix. So I would say the snack mix landed on the rug. So now I also want you to think about what happened first in the story. Order of events. What happened first? Think about Beth and what she did. Well, first, I know that Beth put the trail mix up high on the shelf, and the cat bandit spotted it. What happened next? So let's think. He knew he wanted to get that snack mix, so he went and got some tools. He went and got the tongue and some rocks. And he set a rock on top of the tongue and bing, swish, bing, swish. What happens after that? Finally, bing, smack. After that, it was the end of the snack mix. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That really was the final thing that happened in the story, where the cat bandit got to eat the snack mix, because it ends with chomp, 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 chomp. That was the end of the trail mix, the snack mix. So today's lesson, we did a lot of different things. Please go back and reread The Cat Bandit. These are great stories, so I hope you go back and reread them. Try to read with expression, look for those exclamation points, and read with excitement and question marks, and use that inflection of a question in your voice. I hope you enjoyed the story. Great job, boys and girls.